Watering your babies?
Yes. I'm a website developer.
And I'm an air traffic controller. We bought this house 7 years ago. And even when we bought this home, the market was still very competitive.
So when you find something, you have to like hurry up.
It was forcing us to compromise on things that we normally wouldn't expect to have to do. The community, you know, I would prefer something that didn't have a HOA.
Really?
It kind of tells me that they want to tell me what to do with my house, and I want to do what I want to do with it.
But with that one, everybody kind of like goes rogue.
I am kind of pro HOA because it regulates the neighborhood to make sure everything looks okay.
I don't need anybody regulating me and my home to regulate myself. And then, honestly, I want to downsize the yard space.
You gonna tell that to her?
She'll be all right. She's having plenty of fun right there on her own. What I want to spend ranges from $450 to about $525.
I'm good with 6 because it's a home, so it's worth it.
It's expensive.
It's your happiness. Happiness is priceless.
First up, a mid-century modern for Melinda, and Joey likes the price, $450,000 with no HOA.
You can tell they did some work to it. It looks good. I love this stonework out here, and it's got a big tree in the front. You like your trees.
Yes, the trees look amazing. It's a cool door.
It is.
We'll
it's a very cool door, cool mailbox as well.
Joey?
What's up, buddy?
How are you?
Good.
So in Olathe and the surrounding areas, the market here is very, very, very good. And the cost of living here is really affordable. So houses tend to have multiple offers, selling for $5,000 to $25,000 over list price. And a house is gonna sell in 24 to 48 hours. So older house, 1964. Some of the windows have been updated. Some of them haven't.
Okay.
So the ones in the front here have. So you've got your living room.
It's small.
It is a little bit small. That's what you get in an older home.
Yeah.
It does seem compartmentalized, and I do like the idea of an open floor space. I'm not sure that it's the style and design that I'm drawn to.
I've got you
Shut up.
your 4-season room.
Oh my gosh, Peter.
You've got heating, cooling, insulated roof,
my
insulating
gosh.
flooring, and you've got the windows, and you can also open them up in the spring and summertime to get some
Yes.
nice breeze.
Only thing that like I'm thinking is this like a treehouse?
That is where we're gonna set up Joey's
Okay.
DJ.
What? Outdoor DJ equipment?
I'm just thinking it's blocking the light.
So this is east facing.
Spacing. Enough sun's gonna come through here. This is nice.
Yep.
Now, this is decent.
You've got your fenced yard.
Okay.
So the dog can go out, enjoy herself. And the lot's a little bit under 10,000 square feet, so that's a little bit less to mow.
It is.
It is less to mow.
That it
That makes
is.
you happy?
Oh, yeah.
I think we gotta go up here.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like a kid all over again
This
now.
is so interesting. Is there a weight
But they've
limit?
done.
I mean, there's 3 adults up here.
Come on
Oh,
inside.
this is so cute.
Oh, man.
This is so fun.
This is wild.
It's got a loft.
Practice. It's got a loft, absolutely.
It's so
Yep.
funny.
That is funny.
Or you can have
Wow.
movie night out here.
Yeah, this is definitely something I see as a
This
movie
is
night right here.
unique. I really like it. I like the character. I like how they've done such a good job making these updates. I love the sunroom. Absolutely love the sunroom. And I really like the kitchen. The kitchen was beautiful.
It's normally not my style, but they did an amazing job with a lot of the updates in the home. I do like the price a lot. It had no HOAs, but I'm interested to see something that may be a little bit more open, something that's maybe a little newer than the 1960s.
So Peter quickly finds a brand new build.
This is nice and shiny, new construction.
So this is a builder's model,
right.
okay? So it's now for sale. It's 2,605 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it's offered at $628,000.
I liked it till you said that price. That's
You
a lot.
won't have to do anything.
It is really nice. And like I said, you're gonna pay for what you want.
All right, come on into the great room.
All right, this is open, and I like this a lot. I really like this fireplace. I love the mantle, maybe even mounting the TV.
I love the windows. They're huge.
I mean, I could do better with the view of dirt, you know, but it'll work for now. This is an absolutely beautiful kitchen.
Yeah, it's great. I love that it's white. I could see anything that spills and clean it up. So I like that I can be very clean and thorough.
I like quartz. I like quartz a lot. This looks really nice, and the outlet's right in the island. And I do not see any projects at all. This is a great kitchen.
So this is the primary bedroom. The inlay in the ceiling
is wonderful.
I like it.
Yeah, I absolutely love it. I think it's a nice color blend. I like how it's actually darker. You like light colors.
I like that it's there. I don't like that it's so dark, but it's creative and it's unique. I just think it's dark.
I know, but I think it contrasts really good with the windows and the neutral colors and the brightness of the room.
Beautiful granite.
This is very nice.
This is very nice.
This is
Double
very
vanity.
nice.
Yes, that's a must-have.
I love the modern touches, the modern finishes. This is very, very well done.
Joey's suggestion is kind of the same situation that I'm in now. A guest bedroom that is my office and sunroom. It's not gonna work.
This one is going to be the traditional guest bedroom because it has its own bathroom.
Yeah, it feels bigger than the one we just came out of.
You've got an updated bathroom, so you've got the nice granite that you like.
This thing is bigger than some closets.
I feel like it's almost too many bathrooms for just us. What are you gonna do this one Wednesday and this one Thursday?
I think this is a beautiful home. It's well above the price I'm wanting to spend. However, with all of the upgraded finishes, it could be well worth that investment and that extra price.
I love there's huge windows. These tall ceilings are great. Kitchen is absolutely gorgeous, but it's just not enough character. And I don't have a sunroom.
So Peter lines up a house with a sunroom and at a lower price.
So we've got a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath. It is listed at $549. Does come with an HOA. HOA is $185 a month, but they do shovel your snow, they mow your lawn,
Okay.
and then you've got a great amenities package.
I don't like the price, Peter. Let's see what you're talking about.
You get a lot for your money here. We've got almost 10-foot ceilings. We've got the crown molding all the way throughout.
It is a nice open space.
I love these windows. They are huge. I could see us putting our couch here, maybe like another sitting area here. I love that the fireplace and the ceilings are tall enough where you can mount your TV up there like you've been wanting to do for years.
So I love how the kitchen is open to the main floor.
I like where it's positioned and that it's not awkward. You know, like our current house, it's just like, I do not like the way it looks. It's got this dated granite. Do you like the granite? What do you think?
I think the kitchen has a great flow into the main living area, and I think that's as far as it goes. Everything else about the kitchen is extremely dated. I mean, even
not
the
even
appliances. I mean, we got tape on the microwave. Looks like the door handle's about to fall off.
And it's not white.
I see projects. I see prices. I see projects.
This is your sunroom.
This is beautiful, Peter.
I think you could certainly have as many plants as you want in here, and you could also have your office in here too.
Yeah, I like the green outside. It kind of makes it more jungle-y because I'll have my plants in here and then they'll be out there. So I really like the greenery because it's gonna be in here too.
We've got the primary suite.
I think it's a good size.
Being off the living room, it kind of concerns me because he comes in late and is hanging out. It's gonna wake me up because I'm like right there.
Let's go take a look at the primary bathroom. You've got a jetted tub, you've got your walk-in shower, and then your double vanity.
I do like the double vanity.
I just can't help but notice all of the dated finishes on the fixtures, on the vanity. That's another project.
So this is the second bedroom.
Big room for a guest room.
Yeah,
You
it's
like
a
it?
nice room.
Let's check out the basement.
I think this is an amazing space.
We do have the bedroom, and you've got a full bathroom down here.
I like how it's not far off of the front entry. So when I'm coming in late, it's just an option for me to, not want to disturb Linda. What I like about the house is the flow of the living room with the kitchen. I like the large windows. What I don't like is that it actually has so many projects, and I do not like the fact that it has an HOA.
It's very open and the ceilings are super tall. The sunroom is amazing, but the kitchen is terrible. Well, I think we've got a lot to think about. Maybe we can get back with you. Me and Joey are gonna chat about a few things.
That sounds great. I'll be standing by.
Do you have the keys on you?
Yeah, I got 'em.
Okay. We ended up choosing the contemporary house.
Even though it's more than what I wanted to spend, it's worth it because Melinda can get her sunroom. And with the lower level of the home, we're excited because DJ area will be down there. It is right by the garage when coming into the home. So when I come in late, I can just go right downstairs and so I don't wake Melinda and Ellie. Yeah, I'm gonna put this right here.
The style of this home isn't mid-century modern, but the house has great light. And I love that the windows are super tall. It's got a very open floor plan, which is one of the main things we were looking for. I'm gonna put my desk here. I'm gonna put some pothos hanging down here. I am so excited about setting up the sunroom. I've already mentally laid out every plant in my mind, so I can't wait to actually get in there and put things where I want them to be.
I guess we could put that wherever we want. We have so much cabinet space.
One of the things I compromised on was the white kitchen, but there's potential to make it white and brighter in the future, so we can work on that later.
With this home, it happens to have an HOA, which I'm not the biggest fan of. However, it actually comes with maintenance features like the yard maintenance and snow shoveling removal.
Ellie's really enjoying the house so far. She loves to just be able to walk out and get some sun on the deck all day.
Aren't you glad they are not in the dining room anymore?
I am glad you have what you've been wanting.